Yes. So, well, I don't know, sir, One Nation and I'm our nation. My name is Negus Imara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You understand how I deal with? Yes, so, you don't know, some of us drop a video about Vibes Cartel a while ago. You understand some, the tampering of the evidence and, you know, him going to the privy court and everything. You understand? So, make sure you go check out the video there. Or the video before this, right? So, you understand what I say? So, yeah. When I tag me and I say, yo, you know, the same Vibes Cartel video, I say, yo, brother, RJ drop music video. I say, yo, RJ drop music video. Now, why RJ drop music video? No, I'm come for find out the dog drop another video. The dog drop on a roll like a booming ball to blood clot. RJ, can we get a sound effects for RJ? Yeah, man, a barber. Me there go a barber, man. Catch up me here and beat him and say, yo, a barber time. You understand? I say, yo, fuck that. RJ, brand new music video entitled Cashapp. You understand what I say? So let's take a dive right into that right now. You understand what I say? Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand what I deal with? Up move. Let's get to it. Video start with Mama. You see it? Ooh. Hi. Booby. Bumbucker. Man, them couldn't turn on the light pan Tavizo. She almost invisible while ago. Balaclava, Mama crutches almost show while ago. You see me? Mama panty white and clean. Hold on. Easy. Whoa. When I see the video start, I see Mama in the video, I was surprised. When I see them text all these sexy things and, you know what I mean, eggplant emoji and, you know what I mean, wet, me I say, wow. But you know, I'm really surprised even more. What makes me surprised even more is the fact that I'm gonna deal with reading bad no blood clot. Yo, RJ, come on, blood clot, can't tell me, G. Pull up in a bumbo clot. Hey. Yo, where the blood clot me just watch while ago? You see the man on top of my girl. Yo, hold on. I'm gonna get back. I'm a little bit too excited here. Okay, I don't know, as me saying, Team RJ, me saying, you don't probably know about it, you see me? Team RJ, my thing right now. RJIG, me say RJ never. You understand? Give me no copyright. You see me? So, I have to big up RJ right through. But blood clot, yo. That video way better. That video cleaner. The dog know him song. You see me? And Tavizo Batija clean the blood clot. 1 minute and 29 seconds in, we're going to start over. I'm not going to lie to you. We'll continue real quick. RJ, you tune bad no blood clot, brother. Up move. Dog started move up on the TV. Texting. Boopy. Yeah. She knows she doing, you know. She knows the blood clot flat in her video while ago, you know. Ha. Drive I love you things I never go a barber. I love you things I do it for me there. Right now I burn up because I have a sweater and the heat on. But you know in the blood clot business, you know hotter than the blood clot eat the blood clot tune. Up move RJ. I won't tell you general. But if you don't pay attention, piece of the music video depend on the same roof where RJ and Tavizo did depend what they are. When time I bust balloon and I wet up the one another. Brother, yeah, wet up the girl. Wrong way, I wet up the girl, brother. I wet up the girl and throw balloon. Wet her up with your juice. You understand? So go on to the understand what I say? RJ the tune bad. Bro, what the? Brother. Bumbleclot. I'm sorry. For the people that may say, yo, Negus, you cost too much. I don't give a fuck. Cause you bad no bumbleclot. You understand what I say? So right, so we have a ball. You say, oh no, RJ, take out the elephant chunk out of me. RJ say, where I say, a mad mama want to take out one, make a skeet in here. Mama they in a blood clot, boy shots and batty jar meet the outer road, clean, ready for the blood clot come for landing strip. You understand me? I say, Mama look fantastic. Me not too like the eye them still, cause the blue eye them did kinda have me away, but now the green eye them have me away for real. But RJ, the tune bad. Me can say, yeah, I am my girl, I alone film this. You should have. I look a fake back scene tonight. As him make the thing look. You understand what I say? But anyway, yo, I'm impressed. I am fucking impressed. Can we continue? Why that look like who like a 69 a while ago? We say RJ catches dongish par fear head there, RJ head dongish par fear catches there. What are the blood clots are going? You understand what I say? We don't know what going on today. You understand what I did? Bumbleclot. RJ. RJ Bumbleclot LOL. Yo, you don't know say one nation and Imara nation. Me know one thing, you understand? Me see mama in a boy shots, mama wine, mama ball, so you take out the elephant chunk out of me. But the other day when I go like so never they love one another. See there? A real love, poor couple. Up move! Make sure see yo. Wanna like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand? I say up move, one nation and Imara nation. Check the pedigree.